Hi everyone, it's Deb. This is the Stickier Side of Crafting collab. I'm the host and there's quite a few of us, so be sure to check everyone out. That'll be linked down below this video. And we post on the 27th of every month at noon Eastern. So I used up one pack of Bow Bunny stickers, including the backing that the stickers were on. These were Butterfly Kisses, it was called, layered chipboard stickers. And then I had these stickers, the 7 on there is the month I was originally going to try and use these up. But this sheet is what I used. I still have a white sheet and a, I guess it's supposed to be black, more brown kind of sheet. So they might go back in for July, but I did use up that sheet, which was almost full, maybe 2/3 full. And this pack was brand new, but it only had 5 pieces in it. So yeah. And I did make cards with all of it. And I also used, I opened this Mint and Fab 80 sheet by the Paper Studio with foil. It's mostly mint and peach, but I opened it because when you see the first card, you'll see why. So let me leave that out and get this off of here and these out of the way. Let me just bring in the first card. This is the first card. I did use some basic black cardstock and the layering ovals by Stampin' Up, the dies, and Whisper white cardstock and basic black. This is the Mint to be Fab, and it has flamingos on it, and this is a flamingo sticker that was in the pack. So I just put the sunglasses, the flamingo, and the heart on the oval. This hello was from the stickers, and this flower. And then I did use some of this washi that was in my use it up washi bin, which I didn't use much of. This is up on dimensionals. I did put basic black behind this. And then this is the size of the paper. So for example, this is the size. These are 4.5 by 6.5. So they're perfect for 5 by 7 cards. And I just felt like I needed another mat behind it to make it pop. And the insides I haven't done anything with. And these basic pearls are Stampin' Up. So that's the first one. And then the only other card I have from that first sticker pack is this. This is one of the papers. I had a scrap of Coastal Cabana by Stampin' Up here, so I just put this sticker and this on a scrap of Whisper White, which was, well, no, I think I had to lop off maybe a 1/2 inch or something. Anyway, and then I just put all these stickers on, like the world map, go see, do, travel. So maybe if somebody's taking a trip, this would be a nice thing to send them to encourage them to have a good time or whatever. So the planes go into the destination and travel, and if you know where they're going, you could write with like travel and their name and destination wherever. My granddaughter was supposed to have a trip to Italy in June, but it is officially canceled through her school. And these are retiring Stampin' Up glitter enamel dots, and those are in Coastal Cabana as well. So that was the one sticker sheet. And then the Bow Bunny ones, I did use a piece of Stampin' Up mint macaron and a scrap of it, and I thought that went beautifully with this jar, and this background did as well. And again, that's a Paper Studio matte pack called Mint to be Fab. It doesn't say matte stack. Anyway, it's 80 sheets, 20 designs for each. And so far, I may add like a little butterfly or something or on here. I'm not sure yet. I didn't want to put, oh, and this is another piece of washi, and I already put that away. Just a little strip of like a pink washi across. And these are actually Melon Mambo because this looked like the same color, and I just added 2 more. This was already on the bow that's on there. So in the next one, I used 2 stickers from the pack, 2 different sheets of the paper. This is the full size, and then this one I cut down 1/2 inch smaller all the way around. And then this is the sticker, Be Fabulous, and I didn't really think it needed any other sentiment. And although this green is a little bit different, I just like this little bird, and I wanted that like up in the corner. And then this is retiring ribbon called Mint Macaron textile ribbon, 1/4 inch. Sad to see that go because it's really a nice ribbon, but I just put that on, and that's by Stampin' Up. And then lastly, I have the Bow Bunny. This is Soft Suede by Stampin' Up in the background, and this is the Seaside Spray shimmer ribbon, I believe it's called. It has almost like a silver thread going through it. And this, you can see, is shiny. This is the cardboard piece. So I just, this was how long it was, except it had the Bow Bunny up here like this. And originally I thought, well, maybe I'll just cut this part off, but I decided against that. So I just cut it down to cut the Bow Bunny off, and then put it on soft suede, which I thought matched these wood panel pieces good. And this actually, this sticker has wood on it as well, as does the Bliss. And then the good things are better with you in life. The good things in life are better with you comes out of Butterfly Gala and by Stampin' Up, which is current and carrying forward to the new catalog. And one of the other cards, this one, You've Been on My Mind, also comes from that stamp set, Butterfly Gala. And I may, like I said, I may stamp a butterfly or two and put them on here because I don't think I have the right color butterfly in my stickers. So I may stamp some of these on like Petal Pink cardstock or something and punch them out, because this goes with the butterfly duet punch. So I may still do that, but I didn't have time to do that to get this video up. So that's it. That's all I have for this month's Stickier Side of Crafting. I hope you like the cards. I think they came out cute. They're pretty basic. I didn't do a lot of layering or anything. I was thinking I maybe should have put like a white doily under this, but I stuck it down before I thought of that. Oh well. And these, I don't know, this is not my style card usually, but oh well. But I do like the first one with the flamingo. So yeah, and that's what got me started. And made me remember this paper pad, which I was thinking of having be my next Smash That Small paper pad, but I'm not 100% sure because there's no like sentiment or cut apart sheets in here. So I just am not sure I want to do that again this after this next pad is done. So please go check everyone else out and see what they've made with their stickers this month. I can't wait to see, and I will talk to you again soon. Hugs, love, and peace.